அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம்.
Yes.
With the blessings of Honorable former Chief Minister Puroshi Thalaivar Idaiyathaivam Amma, Honorable Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Ministers of Tamil Nadu, I am here before you. It is my pleasure to virtually interact with you all the TI Global Summit 2020. I was going through the wonderful agenda that has been put together, keeping in mind the needs of entrepreneurs across the globe. What also impressed me was the care that has been taken by the organizing committee to cater to entrepreneurs from different time zones. My heartiest congratulations to all the people who were involved in creating this wonderful experience. As you all know, Tamil Nadu has a strong manufacturing base. In addition to these traditional industries, the state's focus is also on the startup ecosystem. The government launched its startup and innovation policy in 2019 with a mission of creating 1 lakh high-skilled jobs, direct and indirect, in the startup ecosystem by 2023. There is also a plan to create the Tamil Nadu Startup Fund with a corpus of INR 2,250 crore for investments in startups. Entrepreneurship Development and Innovation Institute of Tamil Nadu is the nodal body for the state government's startup policy and is working on various pilots to understand the state's ecosystem trends. With the success stories such as Joho and Fresh Workers, Chennai has become the SaaS capital of the Indian startup ecosystem. Even though Chennai can be considered as the startup hub in the state, there is no dearth of talent in the Tier 2 and Tier 3 towns as well. It is very evident now since Joho has set up office in the rural areas of the state. Tamil Nadu government is actively engaging with the industry to strengthen and develop the IT sector across the state, particularly in Tier 2 and Tier 3 towns. Various enablers and investors in the state help nurture the entrepreneurship ecosystem with Tamil Nadu focus on nurturing innovation, investment in R&D and infrastructure, knowledge creation, technological development and skilled manpower. Lots of meaningful changes are bound to happen across sectors from agriculture, manufacturing, healthcare, education, fintech to social sector, urban development and others. The government would like to take proactive efforts to strengthen the entrepreneurship ecosystem and promote a socially inclusive growth. Thank you. Nandri, Vanakkam.